one.
What is that?
No, it's that.
No, what is that?
No.
Can you give me the fish?
No.
No. Ooh, corn. Yummy. What sound does that make? Yeah.
For sure.
Fire truck.
I see fire truck yesterday.
You saw it yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Henry.
You saw Henry?
Yeah.
Oh. What's that one? Whoa. Whoa. You going crazy, buddy. That's it. It's empty.
Put it away.
Okay. What is that?
Goldfish.
Oh. What's that?
Shoes.
Shoes.
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
Fire truck.
Wee-oo, wee-oo. What's that?
Ball.
Ball. What's on that?
It's over.
Oh.
Over.
Oh.
Corn.
Corn.
Cat. It's Bonnie.
It looks like bologna.
Uh-huh.
What does the cat say?
Leo.
Yep. What's that one?
Checker.
Yeah, tractor. It's a big wheel. What's that?
Baby.
What's a baby say?
Where?
Yeah.
Get up. Babies no eat keys.
The babies don't eat keys?
No.
No. Well, you like to put keys in your mouth when you were a baby, but you didn't eat them.
No.
What's that?
Apple.
Yum yum.
Baby gonna eat apple.
Babies can eat apples?
Yeah.
They can eat applesauce. But babies don't have teeth.
No.
What's that?
Car shirt.
Car shirt. Yeah.
It's rough.
That's his rough. Last one.
It's over.
Okay. That was good. All done. Right?